Hello everyone! Are you curious about the process of raising sheep from the farm to the processing plant? This is definitely a complex journey that requires special care. Are you ready to explore this journey with me? Let's go! Sheep farming is a vital agricultural sector in the United States, contributing to economic development and providing a food source for consumers. Currently, the U.S. ranks among the world's top nations in both sheep meat and wool production and consumption. Firstly, the sheep wool is sheared before being processed at the meat processing facility. Afterward, the sheep are transported to the slaughterhouse. Before being brought to the processing plant, they are humanely and modernly induced into a state of permanent sleep. This process is carried out by administering anesthesia, ensuring that the sheep feel no pain whatsoever. Next, the sheep are hoisted upside down and conveyed along the production line, where workers will process the sheepskin. Do you know what parts of the sheep will be used? The sheepskin will be sold for leather goods. The internal organs and sheep's feet will be safely and hygienically cut and removed. Afterwards, the meat portions will be cleaned before being cut and divided into smaller pieces of various sizes and shapes to meet customer requirements. During this process, the plant needs to ensure standards of food safety, preservation, and transportation to guarantee the best product quality. Lamb meat is a high-quality protein source, providing essential amino acids for the body. The protein in lamb meat helps boost the immune system and supports metabolism. With its unique flavor and high nutritional value, lamb meat is an excellent choice for a variety of dishes. Leave a number 1 if you'd like to enjoy this delicious grilled lamb dish. Would you like to become a sheep farm owner? Let's explore how farmers raise and care for sheep. According to information, each year these farm owners can generate profits of up to millions of dollars from selling sheep and sheep-related products. Modern barn systems and advanced equipment like this play a crucial role in caring for and nurturing sheep from birth to adulthood for consumption. The fermented feed is meticulously blended with corn and grains, forming a diverse nutritional mix. It seems like the sheep are quite intrigued by this feed source. In addition, some sheep are bathed, and particularly, they undergo massage therapy to relieve any tension. To ensure the health of the flock and prevent the spread of livestock diseases, vaccination is a crucial measure. Each year, we administer vaccinations to the sheep herd 1 to 2 times. Have you ever heard of the XP sheep housing system? With individual pens, a ventilation system, and natural lighting, along with infrastructure providing automatic water and feed, it creates an ideal environment for maximum growth and production. Are you drawn to the modern techniques applied in sheep farming? Leave a number 1 to let me know if you're exploring this video with me. Thanks to the support of advanced machinery, the feeding process for sheep has become simpler than ever. This brings the benefit of having more time and resources to focus on other activities, while also enhancing the nourishment and growth capabilities of the flock. Don't forget to grab a cup of tea to quench your thirst as we explore the beef processing plant. At the processing plant, workers utilize a system of state-of-the-art machinery to ensure fully automated processes and high efficiency. Each processing stage occurs rapidly and accurately, with machines performing precise operations to separate meat from bones and clean them effectively. Cutting, slicing, and packaging machines are precisely programmed to ensure each product meets high-quality standards. Focusing on the rapid growth of the agricultural industry, a crucial point in beef production is the feeding area, commonly known as the feedlot. Currently, in the United States, there are over 70 different breeds of cattle, with the most common breeds including Angus, Hereford, and Beefmaster. Among them, the Angus breed is the most easily recognizable on the grassy fields of Texas. Each year, approximately 35.8 million cattle are born in the United States, with up to 11 million born in Texas. At birth, these calves typically weigh between 60 and 80 pounds. They undergo special care in their early months, receiving careful nutrition to ensure healthy growth. These young calves will be tagged with high-quality plastic ear tags right at the edge of their ears, creating a distinct identification mark. Separating them from their mothers allows the calves to explore a variety of foods, as they start to experiment with solid food and learn about different nutritional sources. Based on 2020 statistics, the United States has approximately 614 million acres of grazing land for cattle, with Texas alone accounting for about 130 million acres, representing 21% of the nation's total. On these free-range farms, preparing food for the livestock becomes a dedicated endeavor. It's not just about creating a suitable environment, but also personally preparing special bundles of dry grass. Join me next on a deer farm that serves various purposes, such as meat production, antler production, velvet production, breeding, conservation, hunting tourism, and ecotourism. New Zealand is the largest supplier of deer from farms. There are approximately 1.2 million deer in about 3,000 farms. With extensive grazing areas, deer feed is grown everywhere, creating a completely natural farming environment. Let's explore how to care for newborn deer until they mature. In mid-spring, typically from May to June, is the ideal time for deer to mate and reproduce. When first born, deer calves weigh only about 5 to 8 pounds. Deer are born with a spotted coat, but they lose this coat after a few months. They rely on their mother's milk for the first few weeks of life before transitioning to solid food. A female deer will nurse her calf 4 to 5 times a day for the first 4 months of life. However, some farm owners often create separate areas for young deer, providing a stable and manageable environment. Additionally, they can regularly monitor their health status and provide medical care if needed. Deer calves grow rapidly. Within just a few months, they can weigh up to 60 to 70 pounds. Once deer reach the desired size and quality, they are harvested for meat. Did you know that the deer farming industry in Siberia is growing rapidly and bringing high profits to farmers? Deer meat is a nutritious dish loved for its delicious taste. Demand for deer meat is increasing, especially in Asian countries such as China, Japan, and Korea. Compared to other red meats, deer meat has a higher price. Deer meat prices can range from $12.16 to $20.26 per 2 pounds, depending on the quality of the meat. This has attracted the attention of both domestic and international investors and businesses, making the Siberian deer meat industry one of the fastest growing economic sectors in the region. Have you tried this deer meat dish yet? Leave a comment below and let us know. Compared to other livestock, sheep easily adapt to weather conditions. Additionally, sheep farming requires less labor. The initial seed source is cheap and can be increased quickly. Sheep farming is one of the key industries that brings high economic profits every year. Billions of dollars are earned annually through sheep farming and wool production. Farmers stay with the fields through different stages, from lambs to adult sheep. Do you know when the best time for sheep farming is? March to April is the peak season in the sheep industry. This is definitely a very busy time on the farm. For sheep breeding, there are two main methods: natural breeding and artificial insemination. The natural method involves introducing a male sheep into a group of females. Then the male will naturally seek out and mate with females capable of reproduction. After the breeding process, most lambs are vaccinated, marked, and have their tails docked before they reach 1 week old. Careful care will ensure that both the mother sheep and their lambs are out in the fields as quickly as possible. This way, the lambs will have the best opportunity to develop immunity and grow strong. The weaning of lambs is also taking place as grass becomes more nutritious than milk, as sheep grow older and tend to eat more grass. They face many health challenges, and vaccination is often necessary to protect against common diseases. Please leave number 1 if you find these sheep interesting. On the farm, raising livestock requires farmers to select sheep breeds suitable for local climate and soil conditions. Similar to other types of livestock, sheep farming entails farmers constructing safe and hygienic shelters, providing sufficient food and water, and preventing diseases. Large farms typically own around 25,000 to 54,000 sheep, predominantly grazing on green grasslands on hillsides. Additionally, alongside large-scale farms, there's a strong development of small private family farms with an average of about 5,000 to 11,000 sheep. In addition to sheep farms, farmers also utilize dogs to herd their flocks of sheep. To harvest sheep's wool, farmers typically perform hand shearing or use electric shears. The timing of wool harvesting depends on the season and the frequency of sheep farming. Usually, wool is harvested in spring or summer when it is the longest and softest. Sheep's wool can also feel quite warm, as you can imagine if you've ever worn a wool sweater in the summer. Therefore, shearing is an extremely necessary activity to prepare sheep to cope with the scorching summer weather. However, on large farms, there's often a team of specialists for this job. Having knowledge and mastering the techniques is important to perform the task efficiently and quickly without compromising the health of the animals. Each sheep can produce between 1 to 3 pounds of fine wool and between 2 to 3 pounds of thick wool, depending on the specific characteristics of the fleece. Shearing sheep is a labor-intensive task that requires skill. Sheep are typically sheared using electric clippers, similar to the hair clippers you see at the barber shop. A skilled shearer will produce a work of art, delicately cutting the entire fleece of the sheep without causing harm and completing the task in about 2 minutes. There are several reasons why we need to pay attention to the sheep's skin. Firstly, shearing can cause unnecessary pain to the animals that farmers want to avoid. Secondly, wounds on the animal can inhibit the growth of wool in the future. Thirdly, this slows down the shearing process, resulting in a less efficient process. To sort out unwanted dead skin and short wool fibers, workers employ specialized techniques during the sorting process. Would you like to delve into the details of their wool sorting process? A common solution is to lay the wool, with the underside facing up, on a specially designed table for this task, featuring wooden bars with a width of 4 centimeters. The spacing between the bars helps minimize waste falling onto the floor as much as possible, while still keeping the edges of the wool containing the least amount of dust and sweat. To obtain clean wool before dyeing, the workers will move the wool through a production chain for cleaning to ensure the final material before entering the dyeing stage. Factories receive about 8,000 kilograms of freshly sheared wool from around the world every day, and the wool is compressed and sent to the factory. Each year, sheep worldwide produce 2 to 3 million tons of wool, making it a material with excellent properties. After the wool is sheared, sheep are supplemented with various nutrients in their diet to ensure their health and promote the growth of their next wool. This directly contributes to the nutritional status and good health of the sheep. Next, join me as we venture into a modern sheep meat processing plant. Upon arrival at the plant, the sheep are processed and unnecessary parts such as skin, wool, stomach, liver, intestines, heart, lungs, etc. are removed. Then the meat is cut and separated into smaller pieces of various sizes and shapes to meet customer requirements. Subsequently, the meat is sorted by type and packaged into various packaging materials such as cardboard boxes, nylon bags, paper wraps, etc., before being stored and transported to retail outlets or supermarkets for consumption. Throughout this process, the plant must ensure standards of food safety, preservation, and transportation to guarantee the highest product quality.
If you're passionate about powerful machines and don't want to miss any information or videos, subscribe to the Engine channel. We're committed to bringing you engaging, unique, and fascinating content that keeps you closely connected to the developments and discoveries in the industrial and technological fields. Join us on an exciting journey where you can witness the most powerful, state-of-the-art machines on this planet. In the sandy region of Landais, France, a remarkable agricultural device is making its mark. The John Deere 16-row 45cm pea seeder, designed by the Sautragri team. This seeder brings innovation to the challenging terrain of seed sowing. With its specialized design, it effortlessly maneuvers on sandy soil, ensuring precise and efficient seed sowing. Equipped with advanced technology, this seeder provides accurate seed adjustment and distribution, ensuring each seed is sown at the appropriate depth and spacing. Breakthrough features such as row unit adjustment and depth control allow farmers to tailor the seeding process to the specific needs of their crops. Thanks to the visionary design of Sautragri and the advanced technology of John Deere, this specialized seeder is transforming agriculture in Landes, France. It enhances productivity, optimizes seed sowing, and contributes to the success and prosperity of farmers in this sandy region. These colossal metal beasts genuinely leave me in awe. They seem to dominate the field, working like unstoppable heroes. As they roar to life, I'm captivated by the resounding sound that reverberates through the air. Their powerful and agile components move like giant arms. They delicately harvest and separate the wheat, simultaneously removing unwanted debris. I can hardly believe my eyes as I witnessed the entire wheat field being swallowed up by these machines. It's not just the impressive size and performance of these machines that amaze me, but also the progress and advancements in the agricultural industry they represent. These giant wheat harvesters embody technological innovation and the relentless efforts of humanity to improve the food production process. Let's watch this video, a fascinating treat for enthusiasts of impressive machinery, showcasing not only aesthetic appeal but also remarkable efficiency. The new 9700i 770 horsepower livestock feed harvester from John Deere makes an appearance alongside its smaller sister, the 8500i 585 horsepower, in a truly astonishing working farm with 5 different methods of corn harvesting. Does this scene leave you astonished? The fantastic tractor duos emerged to ensure the transportation of the raw material to the methane plant. The JD 9700i and 8500i machines stand ready to showcase their power, like the heroes of modern agriculture. They are machines to be admired, capable of working tirelessly and effectively in converting corn into excellent feed for livestock. Spa Bellotti MDL 10036S is one of the notable products from Bellotti Spa, a leading company in the field of precision machining machinery manufacturing. This machine seamlessly combines advanced technology with high performance. The Spa Bellotti MDL 10036S stands out for its precision and efficiency in machining operations. It's designed to meet the demanding requirements of industries that rely on accuracy and productivity. With its state-of-the-art features and robust construction, this machine delivers exceptional results and ensures optimal performance. I cannot help but admire the genius talents behind these remarkable technologies. These impressive devices have accomplished what was once deemed impossible. Join us as we continue to explore the astonishing capabilities of these modern technologies. At the MDF Institute, researchers have utilized 3D printing technology to create a large-scale trimming tool for the Boeing 777X, one of the world's largest twin-engine jetliners. This tool was produced using the BAAM 3D printer continuously for 30 hours. The research team employed a thermoplastic resin comprising of 80% ABS plastic and 20% carbon fiber from a local material supplier. The tool has demonstrated significant reductions in time, labor, costs, and errors compared to traditional manufacturing methods, while also increasing energy efficiency during preliminary testing. This represents a notable advancement in manufacturing technology, delivering higher efficiency and energy savings to the aerospace industry. And here is the Low, a high-quality attachment for your bulldozer or tractor, providing excellent power and torque to drill through harsh surfaces such as soil, clay, and rock. This advanced tool has a sturdy gearbox with a maximum reduction ratio to maximize output torque, allowing you to efficiently tackle any drilling task. This equipment is designed to be both durable and user-friendly. It features a quick attach system that allows you to connect and disconnect quickly and easily from your machine. The standard hex output of this type of drill can also hold multiple types of drill bits, making it versatile enough to handle any job. One of its key benefits is its ability to provide continuous power and performance even in challenging conditions. Its robust design ensures it can handle the most demanding drilling tasks without breaking down or wearing out quickly. I couldn't take my eyes off the magnificent scenery while the Caterpillar D10 dozer was in action. It's an absolute construction beast. The mighty roar of the engine and the shaking of the ground as it advanced made me feel its immense power. The undeniable power of the D10 dozer is evident. It moves large rocks as if they were lightweight materials. The machine exudes a sense of absolute domination, making every task seem effortless. With every movement, I can feel the progress in modern technology it embodies. It is a great machine. Surely, if you're a frequent viewer of our videos, you're already familiar with the awe-inspiring large excavators. But today, I'll introduce you to a mighty excavator you've never seen before. Despite having seen many large excavators, its impressiveness still surprises me. The sound of its engine resonates in the air, making not only me, but also everyone around me feel its incredibly impressive power. Its gigantic arm is truly intimidating. When the excavator starts operating, I witness its strength as it effortlessly digs and lifts massive blocks of earth. The sensation is powerful and steady, making this machine undoubtedly an indispensable tool in major construction projects. It's a masterpiece of technology and skill, an emblem of strength and efficiency in the construction industry. The combination of these powerful machines has resulted in incredible achievements that exceed our wildest imaginations. Thanks to them, physically demanding and challenging tasks were completed quickly and easily. The D3HP machine is a unique and efficient device equipped with advanced technology. With a 1400mm diameter saw blade, the machine is mounted on a vertical extension with an echidna mechanical rotation system, allowing the saw blade to rotate. As a result, it enables cutting at right angles to the plane of the excavator's arm. With this large saw, the cutting process becomes easier and more effective than ever before. The powerful and sharp saw blade, combined with its flexible rotation capability, allows the machine to cut precisely and swiftly. By mounting the saw blade on the vertical extension, the machine can access challenging positions and make cuts in perpendicular positions, resulting in accurate and uniform cutting outcomes. Both the D3HP and D4HP mowers are powerful and efficient. The D3HP quickly and flexibly cuts concrete, while the D4HP impresses with its power and precision stone cutting. Both are reliable tools for concrete and stone cutting. Which machine are you more impressed with? Join me on a tour of modern packaging lines in cosmetics production. A notable technology in the cosmetics industry is the use of Schubert packaging machines for filling cosmetics by weight into PET bottles. This is an intelligent combination of dosing technology and advanced packaging machinery. By integrating direct weight dosing technology into the packaging process, Schubert's packaging machines deliver superior accuracy and efficiency. The system is designed to precisely measure the number of cosmetics to be filled and automatically and continuously dispense it into each PET bottle. This process not only helps minimize errors caused by incorrect dosing, but also enhances production productivity. Next up is the packaging line by PacMac, a company that specializes in manufacturing automatic packaging machines for the food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. PacMac's packaging line is equipped with advanced equipment such as automatic packaging machines, multifunctional packaging machines, and flexible packaging machines. These devices work with precision and speed, ensuring that the products are securely and aesthetically packaged, guaranteeing quality. The flexibility of PacMac's packaging line allows it to meet various requirements, from packaging consumer goods to industrial products. Whether it's packaging cosmetics, food, pharmaceuticals, or electronics, this line has the capability to fulfill any demand with high precision and speed. Not only serving as a packaging tool, but PacMac's line also brings time and labor savings. The integration of automated processes into the line enhances productivity and reduces manual work. This not only increases production efficiency, but also minimizes errors and ensures reliability in the packaging process. So we have come to the end of our journey, exploring the world's most advanced machines. Which machine impressed you the most? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below for us to know. Thank you for accompanying us throughout the video. Have a great day and see you again.
When it comes to the pig farming industry, China has always been at the forefront of applying scientific techniques and modern technology. The most notable example is the modern pig farm model, often likened to a five-star hotel for pigs. Can you see the modernity here? All the pigs in this hotel have their needs met through the most advanced AI system, automatically providing precise and intelligent feeding and watering. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, China consumes approximately 44 million tons of pork annually, so traditional farms are insufficient to meet demand. To change this situation, China has encouraged farmers to develop the pig farming industry, where modern agricultural models have replaced traditional ones and brought about optimal efficiency. The automation model in pig farming is demonstrated through stages such as barn design, environmental control, and intelligent waste processing. Particularly, automated systems provide feed, water, and appropriate temperature and humidity adjustment systems in each barn. Exploring large-scale automated pig farms in China, we see that the pigs are well cared for and nurtured. The barns are clean and free from unpleasant odors from pig waste, which is a significant advantage in waste management and environmental pollution prevention. However, depending on the age of the pigs, they'll be distributed to different areas. Please leave number 1 if you want to join me for the rest of this video. After the breeding process, female pigs will become pregnant for about 3 months. During pregnancy, farmers will regularly check the pregnancy using a modern ultrasound machine for pigs. After the breeding process, piglets stay with their mother for around 10 days and receive medical vaccinations. These vaccines are designed to protect them from common diseases such as swine fever, swine diarrhea, or other illnesses that could significantly harm their health and reproductive performance. Subsequently, they're distributed to various areas and housed in separate pens from the mother pigs. The piglets are raised in communal areas and fed livestock feed. During this period, they're cared for and allowed to gain weight before being sold. Traditionally, feeding pigs is often done manually, requiring a lot of effort and time. To optimize feeding, pig farms in China have implemented intelligent feeding systems. This system uses technology to automate the feeding process, ensuring accurate and consistent feeding for the pigs. Commonly used in large-scale pig farming operations, this saves time and labor cost, and improves nutritional efficiency. Furthermore, this advanced technology allows for precise feeding for each age and weight of the pigs, which can enhance growth, reduce food waste, and help minimize the risk of health issues associated with overfeeding or underfeeding. Depending on the age of the pigs, they consume different amounts of water each day. Market weight pigs weighing from 70 to 120 kilograms drink from 7 to 9 liters of water per day. In many cases, pigs can die if their bodies become dehydrated, so providing water daily is crucial. Therefore, drinking water is supplied in farms that raise hundreds of thousands of pigs. Next, let's delve into the process of raising black pig breeds. The Berkshire pig breed is considered the highest quality, originating from England and raised on numerous traditional farms in the United States. Traditional pig breeds are an integral part of agricultural heritage and culinary culture. Currently, traditional pig breeds continue to be nurtured on many traditional farms to maintain and produce high-quality pork. One of the oldest classic pig breeds, the Berkshire pig, originates from England and was introduced to the United States in the early 19th century. They are a purebred breed and have never been crossbred, thus remaining a high-quality genetic resource for hundreds of years. The body of the Berkshire pig is of medium size, with a compact build. The weight varies depending on gender. with sows weighing around 220 kilograms and boars weighing 280 kilograms. They're called traditional pig breeds, not only because their genetic resources are rare, but also because their numbers are scarce. Moreover, traditional pig breeds are required to provide high-quality meat and are considered excellent for producing delicious pork. To produce tasty traditional pork, farmers need effective breeding methods. Typically, Berkshire pigs are primarily raised in free-range environments, with access to pasture instead of being confined to pens all the time. The larger the farm area, the better these pigs thrive and reproduce. Their diet is also 100% natural, or from grass, hay, and ground grains. Farmers avoid feeding them industrial feed because it can affect the genetic preservation process. Most farmers refrain from using antibiotics, hormones, and chemicals in traditional pig breeds because their goal is to raise animals as naturally as possible. Traditional Berkshire pork is considered the finest in the world and highly regarded for its tenderness, flavor, and rich, sweet, and succulent fat structure. It is a high-quality type of pork, often used in upscale restaurants. So, what makes traditional pork slaughterhouses different from regular pork processing facilities? Essentially, the processing of traditional pork breeds follows the normal procedures of a processing plant. However, due to the limited quantity and longer nurturing period, this traditional process is not carried out as frequently. At the processing plant, traditional Berkshire pork is carefully graded and cut because its price is several times higher than that of regular pork. Farm owners sell each mature Berkshire pig for prices ranging from $700 to $1,000 per pig. The meat of Berkshire pig is redder than regular pork, slightly sweeter, and covered with intramuscular fat, making it tender and flavorful. This is the type of pork that you'll find hard to go back to regular pork after enjoying Berkshire pork. Leave a comment below if you'd like to taste this Berkshire pork dish. This is our channel. This is the channel manager. This is the video editor. And this is the content creator. Driven by the increasing demand for meat and remarkable technological advancements, the livestock industry in the United States has undergone a profound transformation. With an astounding 5.9 million livestock, pigs, and poultry cared for by American farmers, livestock farming is not only the backbone of the food supply for the nation, but also a testament to the resilience and innovation of the American agricultural sector. Do you know why they're called water buffalo? The secret lies in their unique habit. These water buffaloes absolutely love water and consider it their natural spa. Every day, they spend a lot of time bathing, soaking themselves in water, and even mud puddles. To meet their needs, the livestock environment requires a large, spacious area, especially mud paddies. These areas allow them to frequently indulge in marshy land and dirty mud, helping them naturally eliminate bacteria and maintain optimal health. At the Water Buffalo Farm, they provide nutritious feed. A balanced diet is established to ensure they receive adequate protein, supporting strong muscle development and maintaining their large body weight. In addition, farmers also used advanced grooming systems. This not only helps them massage daily, but also creates a relaxing environment, helping the cattle maintain good spirits and comfort. Please leave number 1 if you want to apply this modern system to your future farm. Are you curious about the breeding process of buffaloes like I am? Oh my goodness! This is the first time I've seen how farmers assist in buffalo birthing like this. For buffalo farmers, managing, caring for, and monitoring the breeding process is crucial. A female buffalo usually gives birth to 1 calf each breeding cycle. The gestation period of buffaloes lasts about 9 months. In the first 2 months of life, the most crucial stage for buffalo calves is when they're exclusively nursed by their mothers. This provides all the necessary nutrients for their comprehensive development. After this stage, they'll begin to be supplemented with rougage from grass and various other feeds. When fully grown, buffalo have an average weight of 1,440 to 1,610 pounds per head, with some reaching up to 2,200 pounds. The average height of a buffalo is around 142 centimeters. When buffalo reach maturity, they're transferred to the milking process, a delicate and modern procedure. Before starting the milking process, the buffalo's udder is cleaned, dried, and massaged to ensure cleanliness and comfort. This process not only ensures hygiene, but also stimulates milk production. Buffaloes reaching 1 year of age are considered fully mature and ready to meet the demand for meat. Before being transferred to the processing plant, they undergo rigorous health checks. At the modern facility, you can observe the entire process from sorting and cleaning to ensuring the highest quality. While you may be familiar with cow's milk, have you ever explored the process of producing it? Join me now as we explore a dairy farm in the United States. The United States has built a modern and sustainable livestock system, contributing significantly to the diversity and stability of the agricultural industry. Dairy farms here operate as discrete systems, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. If you're having a meal, I recommend skipping ahead to the milking section, because the upcoming images might spoil your appetite. Here, all newly born calves from 0 to 3 months old are raised separately. Farmers will provide artificial milk to develop their digestive systems. The livestock pens are kept clean to create a comfortable environment for the herd. To ensure healthy growth and disease prevention, vaccination is an essential and integral part of cattle care. As cattle mature, they begin to adapt to fermented feed to sustain body development. During this crucial period, cattle are not only kept on the farm, but also allowed to roam freely, enjoying grass as their food source to provide nutrition and engage in physical activities, helping them become robust and ready for meat and milk production. Please leave the number 1 if you find these beautiful cattle attractive. Would you like to explore the process of milking cows at the factory? Join us as we visit one of the most modern factories worldwide. The cow milking process not only requires precision, but also demands the highest standards of sanitation and safety. Typically, each dairy cow only provides milk for about 2 to 4 years, as the milk quality may decline after this period. After harvesting milk from the cows, it will be transported to milk processing plants to produce products such as cheese, bottled milk, and more. Each product will undergo quality control before being released to the market for consumption. When the cattle meet the standards for meat production, they'll be carefully transported to the processing plant. Surely you're curious about the beef processing process in the factory, just like me. Here, the meat processing and cleaning process takes place meticulously to ensure maximum quality for the final product. You'll witness the professionalism and dedication of the workers at the plant as they're committed to ensuring that each product meets high standards of hygiene and quality. Every step is carried out through automated systems, ensuring the highest hygiene standards and delivering quality products to consumers. Can you believe that every day a pork processing plant can process over 10,000 pigs to supply the market? This massive number demonstrates the scale and modernity within the factory. At large-scale processing plants, manual labor is no longer common. Instead, investment in modern machinery is prioritized to ensure both quantity and quality of meat output, catering to export demands. Statistics indicate an annual consumption of approximately 280,000 tons of pork, accounting for about 18%. Regarding the pig care process to produce quality products for consumers, on modern-scale farms, the care process starts with piglets. Farmers vaccinate them to prevent diseases. Additionally, they provide ample food and essential water to ensure the comprehensive development and quality of the meat. The pork industry is increasingly focused on environmental protection. Farmers have implemented measures to save energy and reduce negative environmental impacts. They also invest in waste treatment systems to reduce environmental pollution. Don't rush away. Come with me to explore a mobile farm raising millions of chickens every year. The journey begins with baby chicks in the first 2 weeks. Their immune system is quite weak, so they are kept warm with a lamp inside the coop. After developing in the coop, begin their journey of freedom to graze on the pasture. Every morning, flocks of chickens are released to roam in the grassy fields near the farm, diligently pecking and scratching the ground for insects and supplementing their diet with natural nutrients. Through flexible movement, mobile coops continuously explore and traverse neighboring areas. As a result, the space surrounding the coop is always rich with fresh vegetation, ensuring that the chickens enjoy a daily feast of lush herbs and grass. Although chickens have access to graze and eat grass, they'll still supplement their diet with grains and mixed feed, with water being the most important element. Chickens have a relatively slow growth rate, taking about 80 to 100 days to reach commercial standards. When chickens reach a weight of 5 to 7 pounds, they are sent to meat processing plants. Poultry processing plants operate safe equipment at a processing rate of over 200 chickens per minute. During the processing, chickens are quickly chilled to preserve freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Packaging is also carefully done to maintain the quality and freshness of the product.
Do you know why they're called water buffaloes? They're truly water enthusiasts. They're always looking for opportunities to soak in water or mud puddles. It's a part of their unique natural instinct. Water buffaloes are a common breed of buffalo in Asia, especially in regions where wet rice cultivation is predominant. Originally, these buffaloes were raised to assist humans in agriculture, such as plowing fields and transporting goods. With their robust build and high adaptability,
Water buffaloes have become invaluable companions for farmers. Currently, in some places around the world, such as Italy, India, and Pakistan, these livestock are not only raised for agricultural purposes, but also for milk and meat production. Have you ever tasted these products? Similar to cow's milk, buffalo milk is rich and flavorful, packed with nutrients. Buffalo milk is the second most consumed type of milk after cow's milk. It's a valuable ingredient for producing dairy products such as butter, yogurt, cheese, and ice cream. That is one of the reasons why nowadays farms specializing in breeding this type of buffalo are increasingly thriving. Come to beautiful Italy to discover how farmers raise this unique livestock type here. The first step in water buffalo farming is providing nutritious food. Water buffalo thrive on a balanced fresh grass, hay, and specially formulated feed diet. Farmers ensure that buffaloes receive the best nutrition to produce high-quality milk. The diet typically needs to ensure an adequate amount of protein to support muscle growth and maintain substantial weight. Additionally, on these farms, buffalo are supplemented with food such as grains, bran, and other nutrient-rich feeds to ensure they receive sufficient nutrients. A diverse and balanced diet is the critical determinant of the health and performance of these large buffaloes. Do you know why they're called water buffalo? Because this type of buffalo loves water and needs to be bathed every day. They often soak in water or mud puddles to cool down and avoid high temperatures. If you find these buffaloes interesting, please leave a point below in the comments. That is also the prominent difference in how they interact with the surrounding environment. To meet their needs, the breeding environment requires a large space, especially mud paddies, where they frequently indulge in muddy and swampy areas, helping them naturally eliminate bacteria and maintain optimal health. But it doesn't stop there. These buffaloes also get massages every day. Farmers believe that gentle massage helps cows relax and maintain good spirits. A mother buffalo typically gives birth to one calf each reproductive cycle. The buffalo's reproductive cycle spans approximately 9 months. For buffalo farmers, managing care and monitoring the reproductive process is crucial to ensure the health and productivity of the buffalo herd. Notably, calves are nursed with milk for approximately the first 2 months of their lives to ensure they receive essential nutrients. After this period, they will begin to be supplemented with rougage, including grass and various feeds. This process not only contributes to the comprehensive development of the buffalo calves, but it is also a crucial part of the herd care process to ensure health and productivity in the future. Adult male water buffaloes typically weigh between 650 to 730 kilograms each, with the potential to reach up to 1,000 kilograms. Their average height is around 142 centimeters. Female water buffaloes weigh between 350 and 400 kilograms, with the potential to reach up to 900 kilograms. And their average height is approximately 133 centimeters. In buffalo, the highest milk yield is seen at the 4th year, then gradually decreases. Come with us to modern factories to see their milking process. India and Pakistan together produce about 80% of the total buffalo milk worldwide, followed by China, Egypt, and Nepal, where buffaloes are more commonly milked than cows. You can also find dairy buffaloes